So here we are, we have a storm date, and note this girl right here. She's a thief.
Now watch.
Car pulls up, white car, and two people get out together. See the car right there? It's actually in no parking. And you can see both doors open if you watch. And both ladies come in. Even though the driver was asked, what's her name? Do you know her?
So she knows.
And here they come in together. So the first one is the thief. Who knows what the second one did?
No.
Okay.
I don't think
But
so.
they steal an expensive carpet from the front,
that picture and
rolled up where they always sit,
now?
and she just walks out with it.
Tell me when you're
And
ready.
when the driver's approached, she doesn't know her, even though she was in her car. She doesn't know her name, even though she was in her car. So here she goes.
she even
She
goes
bends
to
down,
them. Oh,
takes
she
the
picked
rolled
one
one,
Yeah.
and leaves.
And out the
she
door.
goes.
Note how good she is at hiding it. It's in the front of her, so you can't really see it as she goes out to the car and gets in. Sneaky.
See it there? See it there?
I guess because you said she went left.
Ladies came in together? Is that who you mean? Can I ask her? Is she with you?
No.
Oh, that lady isn't with you? That was in with you?
Yeah, she lives around the corner, but she told me I've never been here
Oh,
before.
so she's gone.
Yeah.
She left. Okay. Who do you know who she is? What her name is?
The left.
She went left. Okay. I don't. What do you know? What her name is? I don't know who she is, but she came in with this lady here, and I'm gonna have to phone the police then. I don't know who it was. Can you screenshot that picture and send it to me in case she's walking down the street? I don't know what she looks like.